Hello team. So today we are going to spend time on learning how to build a hybrid gazebo pergola. Essentially, gazebo's main function is to offer shade in the backyard or even in the front yard depending. And pergola is defining the space in the backyard, but it does not offer the shade. So the structure which I'm going to show you today, it provides both. So it is actually a gazebo because I'm going to actually install in the next part I'll show you. We're going to install shingles on the top here, but it can also be used as a pergola because it defines the space in your backyard. So here we start with marking the post where we want the post. So in my case, I'm actually going with 4 posts for my structure. So here I'm marking it. One of the most toughest part of this structure is actually making the holes. So what I did was I called some contractors. We already had the marking. So here you can see they are here and they are actually making the holes for me. So our holes are ready now. We measured our post, cut according to the requirements, and now we will start putting the cement and water in. So I used Rapid Post. This is an excellent product. It literally dries in minutes, like maximum 10-15 minutes, and this product is done and dried. So I would recommend you using this one. So here you can see I'm putting the cement in and then water and then again cement and water. So you can go like step 1, step 2, step 1, step 2 and mix it inside the hole. Make sure that you have the post with the proper angle. If it is bent, then your whole structure will be bent. So here you can see the measuring device and the bubble on the right side. It's exactly in the center. That means the post is exactly straight. So here you can see I'm using the stick to mix the cement and water. So step 1, step 2 and then mix. And in the right picture you can see the post is settled and we are ready to go to the next step. So here we have a 2x6 which is going to go on the sides of our structure. I'm using a 1/2 inch bit to drill a hole and we are going to put the bolts in there so to make sure that it stays nice and strong and safe on top of our post. As you can see in the right side of the picture, the top part of the 2x6 isn't flush to the post, so that way we don't have to go back and cut the post later. This is our good old measuring orange strip where you can see here I'm looking at the bubble, making sure the bubble is in the center. That means that the 2x6 is exactly leveled, exactly straight, so when we finish our structure it does not look crooked. My son Ryan is helping me put the 2x6 on the side of the structure and he's drilling the screw in here. So here we have the main frame ready. As you can see, 4 posts and we have our 2x6s bolted and nicely screwed in. So the tough part now is done. Now we are just measuring for installation of the 2x4s. We want to make sure that in between each 2x4s we leave around a feet or a feet and a half gap, so that when we install the boards on the top, it stays nice and stable. So the measurement of the 2x4 we did in the previous slide. Here I'm just marking it, cutting it, and in the right side you can see that I'm installing that on top. So it's essentially going to sit on that metal bracket which goes on the 2x6. One important thing to remember here is we want to make sure that the top part of our 2x4 is in flush with the top part of the 2x6, so that way it's kind of flush from the top and nice and smooth. So here it is finally. Our structure is ready. You can see I have installed all the 2x4s. It's a beautiful structure. again, four posts. We have 2x6s which goes on the end part, holding all the 2x4s in the middle. And I think we did an excellent job, guys. You can do it. I saved a lot of money. I got the quotation just for this structure. You won't believe, around $5,000. So here I got it done in less than 1200. So it's simple, you can do it. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know, and move on to the next part where I'll be starting to show you how to install the roof with the shingles. Have a nice day. Bye for now.